Assalamualaikum and welcome to Ramadan recipes, where we make sweet and savoury dishes for your sehri and for your iftar. But today I'm going to be making something called Armut Turshusu. This is something that originates from the city of Bursa in northern Turkey, and it's also eaten during iftar and in sehri as well. Ingredients on how to make Armut Turshusu. We're going to take some water, some honey, pears, saffron in water, cinnamon sticks and some white vinegar. So to make the Armut Turshusu, we're going to take a saucepan with a lid, keep the lid aside, and then add in the water like so, and this is on a value of Armut Turshusu is fairly high if you're not adding any sugar. The great thing about this is it has the healing properties of the honey, the antioxidant-packed pears, which also contain a lot of fibre, which keep you full for longer, and they also contain a lot of vitamins and minerals. This has a lot of other blood sugar controlling properties as well, such as the cinnamon. Brilliant for making sure that you don't feel hungry and have that sugar crash later on. Here's a recap of all the ingredients that you need to make Armut Turshusu. Here's a reminder of how to prepare Armut Turshusu. In a saucepan, add the honey, spices, vinegar and the water and bring to the boil, stirring all the time until the honey is fully dissolved. Reduce the heat and gently add in the pears. Poach them for about 20 or 25 minutes until they are tender, but still in shape. And then remove the pears from the syrup and place them on a separate dish. Allow the syrup to cook on a medium heat after adding in the saffron for about 5 to 10 minutes and let it thicken and reduce to a smaller quantity. Then spoon this syrup over the pears and allow it to cool or serve hot. I hope you've enjoyed making the Armut Turshusu with me today. It's something that you can have for every iftar because it doesn't contain any sugar, and it's great for making sure that it really satisfies your sweet cravings. Make sure you join for more sehri and iftar recipes. Happy Ramadan!